All right. Today is the 4th class, right? So we started with the Google, with the keyboard, Kannada keyboard available with various devices. And all of you have by this time learned how to use this. And in the process, we also made some observations regarding the set of letters which are there in the uh, the Kannada Varnamala, as it is called. Coming from the bottom, you have the so-called ungrouped letters, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, La. So, no? So did I miss one of them?
Yeah, you missed, yeah.
The Ya is there, which is blocked for me. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, I said coming from the bottom of the list, Yara Lavasha, Shasa Ha La. So that is nine letters. Then you have 5 groups of 5 letters. The groups are known as Kachatatapa, starting with Ka, Cha, Ta, Ta, Pa. And I also explained that these groups are based on the positions in the mouth from where those sounds are generated. And as an example, I said Ka gets generated from the guttural, so the inside of the throat, Ka. Similarly, the letter P gets generated from the lips. Now, so 9 plus 25, 34. Then you have the A, I, U, R, A, O. These are the 6 short vowels. So that would make it 40. Plus the long vowels of those, A, I, U, R, A, and O, and of course 2 additional letters which are always long, I and O. So plus the 2 symbols which you add to the letters called Yavavahas, and Aha. For example, if you join them with A, so totally they'll constitute 50 letters. And this is all you need to know. In addition to the numbers 1 to 9, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So you learn to use all of that. And you also have learned the so numbers 1, why is that coming on there?
Must have frozen.
Hello.
Hi, looks like everybody got thrown out and logged back in. Just give us a second.
Okay.
Just a second. We'll get connected back.
A lot of people are using Zoom, so it's starting to crash a lot.
I'm not on. No? I'm not on.
You're unmuted. They can hear you. Yeah, now they can.
Hello, you are getting my voice, right?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes.
All right. So we looked at these numbers, both numerals and in words, 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we also try to go from there 10 to 20 in the last class. 10 plus 1, it becomes 11. Similarly, 10 plus 2 becomes 12. 10 plus 3 becomes 13. 10 plus 4 becomes 14. Similarly, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
My phone. I'll fix it on your end.
Oh, it's coming now. All right. So now let's take a look at this. 1 plus 0, 10, which we also know, learn to type as ha, ta, t, ta. Why did I get? All right. Hattu. So you learned to type this in the last class. So could you follow me and type these numbers?
Yes, sir.
Can
Then-
you switch? Sorry.
Here, the next one is actually Hattu. Oh, Hattu plus 1. This Hattu plus 1, that's the correct expression. But in Kannada, when these two things come together, it becomes Hannondu. Na, nu, na. Okay. So Hattu plus 1 would become Hannondu. This is a typical feature of Kannada, which may not be there in all other languages. For example, since all of you are from central schools, you understand this. Ram aa raha hai. So when you say Ram aa raha hai, okay, you don't join the with the word Ram. When you write you write Ram Araha hai. Okay. Or if somebody is saying Ati Uttam, you don't say Atyuttam, you will say Ati Uttam. But that is different in Kannada. When words come together, if there's a possibility of joining them, that is usually used. And this feature is called Sandhi. Sandhi means joining, coming together. So that's what is happening here. Hattu plus Ondu becomes Hannondu. These changes are actually as per some rules, but we won't go into that. But we'll just try to get that by practice. So we now therefore go to the next number.
One sec. Lohit has raised his hand. Lohit has raised his hand. I don't know if he has a question.
Sorry.
Lohit, your friend, has raised his hand. I don't know if he has a question.
Oh, somebody has a question. All right. Please.
Ask him.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a question? Somebody has a question?
No, ma'am. I didn't ask.
You didn't ask? Okay, doesn't matter. All right. So then
Question.
now it is possible for us to progress like this because most of you are also familiar with Kannada in some way or the other and you're users of Kannada, and therefore we'll take advantage of that. So we have similarly Hattu plus Yeradu. So it just joins and it becomes Hanneradu. All right, Hanneradu actually stands for Hattu plus Yeradu. Why I'm saying this is that if you hear Hanneradu, you clearly know it is 12. This is 10 plus 2. Okay, so there can't be any doubt, and you can't be making you won't make any mistake with respect to the number that is being spoken about. So we'll continue this way, and in some place where you get a doubt, do ask me. So I'll go for 1 plus 3. So that will become Hattu plus Muru, Hadi, Muru. Okay. Are you able to type Hadimuru? Yeah, Hanneradu you got. Hadimuru? Oh, that is Tilu. Hattu plus Nalku becomes Hadi. Hadinalku. The keyboard also keeps prompting you with some suggestions. You could make use of that. So that will help you to type quicker. Now, Hattu plus Aidu. Hadinaidu.
I think if it slow down a bit, everybody's struggling.
We typed these numbers in the last class, so you should be able to follow quickly. Hadinalaku, that is correct. This Nalaku and Nalku, both are correct forms. Please do pay attention to the numerals which are being typed first, like now 1 plus 6 16 10 plus 6 16. This Bindu Hadimuru is, there's a small correction. Mu should be longer. Please see what I have typed on the screen. Hadimuru. And similarly, Kamesh Reddy, Hadi Nalaku. Na is a long na. Not Nalaku, but Nalaku. That's wrong. I'm seeing it here. You're right. Pradeep, you are having difficulties, are you?
In fuse, this one, this D Hadina Lakku D, I am finding it a little bit.
So when you press the,
Yeah.
then you get, I'll tell you.
On the top line.
Top line, third letter.
Okay, I'm trying it. Since it's an Apple one, I'm just trying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Then I think Kamesh Reddy, it is Hadi Naidu. Nai. Na plus I. Hadi, yes, I do, no? The IU is there. Hattu plus Aidu, Hadi Naidu. Kamesh, could you correct it?
Yes, sir. I am doing it.
Oh, excellent. So Hadinaru is straightforward. Pradeep, if you would type the things along with the numerals, then I would know what exactly you're typing. In the sense, I had the following difficulty. You type Hadimuru. I don't know whether
I'll type the numerals also.
All right, yes. Because you must be at Hadinaru. Hattu plus Aru.
Yeah, I understand.
Right.
Sure, I'll do that.
Okay. So going by that now, 1 plus 7, Hattu plus 7, Hattu plus 7, 17. Adi ne lu. So 1, N2, that is 10 plus N2. You have A, D, Na, Ne, Hadin N2. All right. 1 plus 9, 1 add 9, that is 10 plus 9, 19. The Google keyboard also prompts you when you're almost got the word right, and that you can make use of to correct in case you made a slip. Okay. Next one is 2 and 0. 2, 10, 20.
Unmute. Satguru. You can
Everyone with me? Up to 20? Hello?
Last, sir, last.
Oh,
Last one,
perfect.
sir.
Perfect. Now, from 20 to 30, there's a pattern which is slightly different from 10 to 20. And afterwards, that pattern will remain the same to however far you want to go. 1,000, lakh, crore, everywhere the same pattern will continue. And therefore, we will do that now. How much time you have?
About 10 minutes
10 minutes. Huh? Oh,
in total.
okay. So, we will now it is 20 plus 1, it will become 21. I think I made a mistake. 20 plus 1, 21. The Sandhi pattern will continue. Remember, I said two words when they come together, sometimes they're joined. It's called Sandhi. And that pattern will continue. So 20 plus 2 will become 22.
I think
Yes?
So,
Hello?
it's the, so,
Yes. Tell me. Another 8 words you have to do, and afterwards it will be the same for all the rest of the numbers, and therefore you won't have any difficulty.
so,
So 20 plus 3, 23. Same pattern.
hi.
Kamesh, 20 is 22. See what is there on my screen? Bindu, it is 22, not te. 20 plus 2, 22.
Okay, sir. I'll correct it.
Perfect. So 23 you got now. So 20 plus 4, 24.
You go a bit slow in all these Sandhis. I mean, not Sandhis, compound letters.
Hmm.
The compound letters, you have to go a little slow on because it's not obvious to us.
Pradeep, it is 21. You used a dirgha and you are
Okay. Okay, I'll correct it, sir.
all right. So 20 plus 5, 25.
Speaking of Aidu,
Hmm?
5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ. Speaking of Aidu, 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ.
Oh, okay. Ippattu plus 6. Can anyone prompt? I know you know the numbers. 26. Ippattu plus 7, 27.
सरलते अनम्यूट करता क्वेश्चन विचारते
20 plus 8 28.
ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Only 2 more left. 20 plus 9 29. And the last one, ಮೂರು ಹತ್ತುಗಳು 30. Okay, 1 minute, 2 minutes.
1 minute.
All right. So most importantly, we progress from the 20s to Kamesh Reddy. You are 21. You have been correcting, no? Pradeep 27. That's correct. All right. So we have the numbers going from over.
No.
Numbers going 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So without any prompt from me, you actually learned in the process how to join the Vyanjanas, also know, with themselves and with the Swaras. So that you have sort of involuntarily picked up in the process of typing out these numbers. So I think that we have to close now. So please do practice again, starting all the way from 1 to 30. That will be nice.
I think we can practice on the WhatsApp too if people feel like it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.